Here at Channel 3, we get excited about the Day of Giving.
That's right.
Because it benefits so many different agencies who then turn around and count and pass those blessings on along to thousands and thousands of people who call the Coastal Bend home. It's called Save the Date. It is a big event. It's going to start it's one day, right? But it's going to go through the whole week because we're going to do it early.
That's such a good idea because it
Isn't
falls on election day.
Yes.
So a lot of people are going to be busy and thinking about so many things. So we want you to have enough time to give
Exactly.
this time around.
So what we're going to do right now is we're going to have a report here that we want to share with you, and it's called the Save the Date Agency Spotlight Story. This is just one of the agencies that's going to receive your blessings if you donate on a dollar for dollar match that happens on the actual day of. But we're going to tell you how you can make that stretch and do it sooner right after this report. So this is a report from Samantha Silva, and she visits the Amistad Community Health Center in Corpus Christi, and here's how they can care for residents in the Coastal Bend. Check this out.
Hi, Samantha here, previewing the upcoming Coastal Bend Day of Giving. Today we spotlight another area community agency assisting with those in need. Let's go right in. Here's some good news. We are here with Dr. Eric Baggerman, CEO of Amistad Health Center. Hello, doctor.
Hi, good morning.
Please tell us about the mission of Amistad Health.
Amistad is a nonprofit placed in the Coastal Bend area. We're in Corpus Christi, Robstown, Aransas Pass, with the mission and purpose of providing holistic, high-quality health care and multiple service areas to all ages.
Amistad Health provides many services to the community. Please tell us about some of them.
Amistad provides a wide variety of health-related services, both physical health and mental health. We've got full-service primary care for adults, full-service primary care for children in our pediatrics department. We have dental care for adults and children. We have mental health for adults and children. And women's health just got started up again 2 months ago, and full-service women's health, including OB services.
Who and in what areas are served by Amistad Health?
Who's the beautiful part about Amistad is, and the mission is we're here for everybody, right? We serve from a medical perspective, the insured, the uninsured, everybody who walks in the doors, no one is turned away. Lots of our patient population comes from the north and the west side of Corpus Christi, but again, we go both sides of the bridge and up in the Colonia areas, and it's all ages, right? We take from newborn all the way through our geriatrics coverage with Dr. Garcia Blow.
As a nonprofit facility, what type of assistance is provided to residents?
We have diabetes education programs. We have help getting people connected with insurance, whether it's affordable care insurance in the marketplace or whether it's Medicare, Medicaid insurances. We have people that we get connected with other local organizations such as the food bank. We have people where we get connected with transportation so that they can, and so our goal is to break down any barriers to care, whether it's financial barriers or it's physical barriers to receiving the right high quality health care that we want everyone to have.
Doctor, how does the Amistad Health put the Day of Giving funds to good use?
So Amistad uses the Day of Giving funds in a number of different areas, and I think the beautiful part about Amistad and Day of Giving, it's a local thing, right? I mean, we're helping local people with the health care. There's a number of gaps we're able to close with Day of Giving funds. For example, this last year we really got our remote blood pressure monitoring program going, which costs money for people that don't have the ability to have the equipment for it and the staff to be able to follow up with them. We've had great success with that and better control of blood pressure for those that we've gotten in the program, and that's growing. We use funds to help fund staff such as our care navigator, who also looks for patients with gaps in care. There's something as far as getting medications or making it to appointments or just understanding the medical processes that are going on and how to help better care for themselves. So having that service is it's not a funded service there's no billables to these kinds of things. It's something that we do to try to help people in this community close those gaps and get the care that they need.
Now that's some good work helping create a thriving community here in the Coastal Bend. Remember to save the date for November 8th when you can help support one or more of the nonprofit agencies participating in the Coastal Bend Day of Giving.
Thank you so much, Samantha. And don't forget, the day of giving is November 8th, but tomorrow, early giving begins. Rudy, right?
That's right, starts tomorrow and will continue until, I guess, the rest of the week. And it is because we've got voting day, election day coming up on the actual day of giving. So if you give early, that's one less thing you have to worry about if you haven't voted, right? So give early. They're going to hold on to the money, okay? The Coastal Bend Foundation is going to hold on to your money. And then on the day of giving, they're going to put it all in, and then it's going to be met dollar for dollar, matched dollar for dollar.
54 nonprofit agencies are participating, and they all need your help. So please give and give early.
Very good.